Hi everyone, welcome to the Amoretti Test Kitchen. I'm Amelia. We have a really great spring recipe for you today. We are going to be doing a blueberry glazed lemon donut. It's a fun, easy, super easy recipe. This one's gonna be gluten-free and vegan, and you can whip it up quick and take them to go. Come on, let's do this. So today we're going to be highlighting our lemon Artisan, and we're also going to be using a really great blueberry extract for our glaze. And of course, we are almost always using this great vanilla Madagascar bourbon, number 500, really our go-to vanilla, and it should be yours at home too. So we're going to start off, you can put everything in one bowl, and we're gonna start off with 1 cup of milk. So we're gonna be doing a plant-based milk because this one is going to be vegan. What's really nice about the lemon Artisan is that it is a vegan flavoring. It gives you that great pop of that lemony tartness and a great balance of sweetness, because this Artisan, the way that they work is they're balanced flavors, really great for a lot of different applications, but wonderful for baking applications. You're gonna get that tartness, the sweetness, the real fruit, all of these things playing a great symphony in your baked dish. All right, and that we're gonna also add 1/4 cup of a plant-based butter. We are going to do 1 teaspoon of our vanilla. And then we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of our lemon Artisan. You can see that nice honey-like texture. This particular line has a 3 to 5% use level. That's based off of the weight of your total batch. And so I went with 5% because we're balancing this with blueberries. I really want that zingy lemon flavor to come through. If you aren't adding blueberries, you might want to pull it back to maybe 1.5 tablespoons. So there are your wet ingredients. You can kind of mix it up a little if you want to, and then let's add our dry. So that's gonna be 2 cups of gluten-free flour. And we're gonna do 1 cup of sugar. You can also swap this out for a sugar substitute. So typically when I do this recipe, I swap it out for monk fruit. It swaps perfectly for just 1 cup. 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And that is your batter, so we're gonna just get this mixed up. Ooh, it smells so lemony and good. I wish you could smell this. If you are a fan of like lemon bars, this is a way easier and healthier version of that. And then the last thing that we're gonna do is just fold in some blueberries. I'm doing a 1/2 cup. You can do a 1/2 cup to a full cup of blueberries, depending on how blueberry-ish you're feeling. And I'm using frozen blueberries because I think that they just sit in the batter a little bit better. Fresh ones will sometimes give you a lot of spillover of that bright blue color, but I have frozen ones, so I'm gonna use those today. And I'm just gonna fold those in. So I have found the easiest way to put these into a donut mold or a donut pan is to put it into a big Ziploc bag, snip the end, and then pipe them in. That's the best way you're gonna get that nice donut hole in the center. Otherwise, you're gonna get kind of puffed up donuts that have the middle filled in. We don't want that. So we're just gonna put it into a nice little Ziploc bag. I'm gonna try and work fast so that my blueberries stay frozen so that they can stay in their place. So super simple, just get your bag, hold it against your wrist, have all of the weight of the bag towards the edge, and then clip off the edge, a very small portion, so that you can just get it into the donut mold. And do it over your donut mold so you don't make a big mess. I've made that mistake plenty of times. And we don't want to fill them up too much. Yeah, and you can just clip the size of a blueberry because that's a perfect size and we want our blueberries to be able to get out. Okay, there's our pretty batter all ready, and we're just gonna pop this into a 350-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. If you can really smell that lemon flavor coming through at 23 minutes, pull them out. Okay, so now we're just gonna make the blueberry glaze. So we are going to take a cup of powdered sugar. It's gonna start out like a typical glaze. and a tablespoon of lemon juice, and then 1/4 teaspoon of our blueberry extract. This is so yummy, it's so good. They are perfect friends. They're a great pair, lemon and blueberry classic pairing, and these two just so good. All right, let her rip. And I'm gonna add a tablespoon of plant-based milk as well. Bring everything together. All right, there is our glaze. It's ready to go. Doesn't that look ooey gooey good? We're just gonna put this on a plate, and after our donuts have the opportunity to cool, we will dip them and then put them on a baking tray, and everybody gets to enjoy them. Either they can have them a little bit warm, or we can let them cool completely and the glaze will harden. Your choice. Let's do it. I'm just gonna put my glaze on a flat plate, a flat surface, something that is easy to dip your donuts onto. I love these. Anytime I make them, it's hard to keep them around. Everybody's always just grabbing one and running. Really brings you those spring vibes. All right, here you go. Those are our blueberry glazed lemon donuts. Such a fun treat for your spring friends, for parties, for tea party, all the good things. Thank you so much for creating with me today. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Write below what you'd like us to make next, and you can follow us on our social media channels at Amoretti on TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Thanks so much. See you next time. Bye. Happy spring.